What is Smat Firnd?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a new feature called Smat Firnd in TallyPrime 7 to help user to search anything from Tally data. To find an info from large source, we search using a search keyword, like in Word document, a spreadsheet, PDF document, etc. In Tally, you could do some search and filter data using F12 range and F12 value to search and filter data. In the discussion, I will also draw attention to the objective and purpose of Smat Firnd. How much users find it interesting and useful. Comparative features available in other contemporary accounting software. Its limitations, scope of improvement, and future trends in AI-powered smart searches.
Search domain and intent.
Search domain and intent. Smat Firnd searches masters and vouchers in currently active company or all open companies, as specified through precise directive of search logic and domain through various configuration options, mathematical and logical operators. Past queries are saved as template for instant reuse.
Fuzzy matching.
Fuzzy matching, even if you don't know the exact word to search. Smat Firnd would attempt to find even misspelt, similar or truncated words or similar phonetic match. So, whether you type Ashok, Ashoke, Smat Firnd attempt to will find the matching data in any or all of the masters and transactions containing the word or value anywhere. You may further refine the search to your precise intent. Through various configuration options, the search results will show the complete reference of the source data, allowing to dive deep into detailed records, view, edit, or perform related tasks.
Data operations.
Data operations. Smat Firnd goes even further. From the search result, drill down to get further details of the selected item, masters and vouchers, access the record, and even edit and perform associated tasks.
Universal and multi-company search.
Universal and multi-company search. You may opt to search only in the current active company or in all open companies and get company-wise sub-details.
Specific key values.
Specific key values. Search may be directed in general or field specific or through words deeply hidden in narration or other descriptive text.
Search operation step by step.
Search operation step by step. Now let's look at how to actually use it. Step 1. From any screen in Tally, just press Alt plus F. The search bar pops up instantly. Step 2. Type the value to search. Step 3. Review results. Move through each item in multiple results list. Press F5 to see the results split by company. Step 4. You may access the record, voucher, or master by drill down. View, modify, or perform other operations and action on the record.
Use and limitation.
Use and limitation. Smat Firnd finds data present in the database. So, to get the benefit, the data must be written correctly and consistently. No accidental omission. Writing data in a standard pattern or template for each kind of transaction would help in a great way to benefit from Smat Firnd. Smat Firnd just helps in operational working. It does not give managerial info, insight, or something new, advisory, or valuable info for management. In spite of hyped fuzzy logic, it requires strict syntactical rules, use of logical and arithmetic operators, and accurate configuration option setting. So, it is not simple for common users as it seems to be. Nowadays, users expect answers to all sorts of queries in natural language without any formal syntax or rules. The search works through numerous configuration options hidden deep under Help menu. Users may not find it. Unless configuration options are properly set for each search, the results may not be correct. With so many dependencies, if you get correct results, feel yourself lucky. It is hoped that promised conversational AI feature would provide more powerful and interactive features.
Your opinion matters.
Your opinion matters. User is the best person to judge the quality and utility of software. Kindly give your feedback about how you have found the Smat Firnd feature useful and your valuable suggestions to make it better. Please see the links of detailed blog article, video, tutorials, live illustrations of Smat Firnd, and contact details for your feedback in the description of the video. Thanks for watching.